Hi everyone. How to create a smooth, glossy shine animation for icons in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. I've already placed an icon on the timeline. First, open the Effects panel. Search for ProCamp and apply it directly to the icon clip. Now switch to the Rectangle Mask tool and draw a long, thin rectangle across the program monitor. Reshape the mask into a narrow diagonal strip using these anchor points. In the Effect Controls panel, assign the rectangle mask to the ProCamp effect. Next, enable keyframes for the mask path. Position the mask just outside the left edge of the icon. Move the playhead forward by about 1 second. Then reposition the mask so it travels completely across the icon and exits from the right side. To make the highlight visible, increase the brightness value to around 80. Then, raise the mask feather value to soften the edges and create a clean, polished shine. For a more natural animation, apply ease in and ease out to the keyframes. You can further enhance the motion by fine-tuning the position speed graph. If you want the shine to move faster or slower, simply adjust the spacing between the keyframes until the timing feels right. And that's it. You've successfully created a sleek icon shine animation. Thank you for watching.